Well, hi guys, Mark here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Mooncool Tk1 folding electric trike. Stay tuned and I'll give you my thoughts on it. Alright then guys, so today something a little bit different for you. We have an electric trike. So I've never tried one of these before. I can say straight away, these are really good fun. So price on these currently £1,699. A link is in the description for you as always. So these come with a 250 watt rear hub motor, 15.5 miles an hour, so all nice and legal, 45 Newton meters of torque. It's a 36 volt battery, which is 20 amp hours, big battery there. They're quoting a range of around about 40 miles. It's a folding design and removable battery. I'll show you that in a minute. So wheels and tyres, we've got 20-inch by 3-inch sort of semi-knobbly tyres. So it is sort of lightly off-road capable. I'll take it down a light track and trail in a minute. Does have front suspension, couple of inches of travel there, which can be locked out, and it has compression adjustment as well. It's quite a heavy machine, coming in at around about 40 kilos. So we have front and rear lights. We have brake lights as well. Indicators, nice little horn. So lights here, indicators. So your sort of usual sort of LCD display here that we see on a lot of bikes, showing you your battery level, 5 power assist levels on the plus and minus there, or your trip odometers and current speed. So hydraulic disc brakes on this, which have a very convenient sort of locking mechanism, which obviously acts like a parking brake. So quite an interesting sort of design here on this rear motor. So you've got your sort of main chain there going to the hub, and then it's chain driven to the rear sort of differential that it's got, which obviously allows both rear wheels to move independently of each other, which is good. So one of the benefits of a trike is, you get this massive carrying capability. You can put lots of stuff in the back there, at the front there as well. So front light comes with all the tools, charger, everything you need. Very easy to put together. Came very well packed indeed. Lots and lots of sort of foam wrapping on it to take off, but it didn't take long to put together, really about half an hour. Just sort of put the front wheel in, handlebars, seat, nut and bolt check, charge the battery, put these mud guards on, which are sort of bolted on down there. But all very easy to put together. These come in lots of different vibrant colours. I think they come in about 7 different colours. Okay, so I'm 5'7" with a 30-inch leg. I've got the seat sort of set how I like it, get my feet down nicely, but obviously you can just sit on a trike and it goes nowhere. It's really nice. It's obviously really good if you're just going to be riding it really slow. You haven't got to put your feet down. Nice bars, really nice sort of relaxed position here, lovely grips, everything falls to hand. It does come with a throttle fitted. You can take that off if you want. But all in all, a very comfortable position, very sort of upright and relaxed, so ideal for sort of city commuting, shopping, that sort of thing. So in its sort of folded configuration, you just sort of release the clamp here, that folds the bars down, pull the locking mechanism down there, and that folds the bike in the middle there. So that's basically kind of how it ends up being folded. To remove the battery, just turn the key, that unlocks it, just lift it up and out, quite simple, and there you go. It's a 20 amp hour battery, it's big, you're going to get a big range out of this. I would have thought about sort of between 30 and 40 miles depending on what power assist level you use. So just slide it back in, very easy, and it just locks into place. Turn the key and that's it, nice and secure. So you can charge it on the bike or off the bike, it's up to you. But the build quality looks really nice. This paintwork is very sort of glossy, the welds are very tidy. One of the biggest seats I think I've ever tried, super comfortable. Nice grips with a nice bit there for your palm. Adjustable handlebars there, up and down a few inches. It's suitable for a massive range of heights. This seat will go right down, so it's suitable for about, I would say, 5'2", something like that, to well over 6 foot. So there we go, guys. There's the Mooncool folding electric trike. Let's try this out. Okay, so just down here at Poole Harbour, lovely sunny morning, and we've got the Mooncool Tk1 trike to try out. So obviously it's a step-through design, which makes it very convenient. So I'm 5'7" tall, plenty of room for me, but if you were a lot shorter than me or a lot taller, this would still fit you. It really is got a good different sort of range of height. The seat goes up and down a lot, bars go up and down. So really nice controls here, LCD display. You've got a parking brakes on the front and rear, which you could just lock on, so that's locked now. Loads of storage capability and carrying capability. It's exceptionally comfortable. This seat is just a dream. This is one of the most comfortable machines I've ever ridden. So to turn it on, just hold the M button for a few seconds. Defaults to no assist, so let's just start off in the gentle assist level 1. Release the parking brakes and cadence sensor, so a couple of turns, and there's the power. Very smooth and quiet, you can't even hear it. So it does take a while to get kind of dialed into a trike, because you sort of fight against it in the corners, but you just got to sort of relax with it really and just go with it. It's really relaxing. It does come with a throttle, you can take that off if you want, disconnect it. So about 7 mile an hour in assist level 1, into 2, about 9 miles an hour. 3 is my favourite, just gentle cruising. I mean, this is just a dream, really is. It's super comfortable, you know, and you can, what I like about trikes, obviously you can slow them right down. You haven't got to put your feet down, which is obvious, but it's just really nice just going along like this, not having to worry about putting your feet down, going super slow. Up into assist level 5 now, and this thing whips along very happily. 14, sort of a little bit of a slope here, but it will hit 15, no problem. There you go, there's your 15 mile an hour, and that's really a nice bit of speed. So go back down to assist level 3. Try the brakes out front and rear. Yeah, I mean, they are very powerful, they need to be for something with this size and weight. So you know, this steering, obviously you turn it and it feels strange because it's, you know, doesn't lean, but you just got to relax into it. I find it's a different type of riding. So little horn, indicators. So I've done a few miles on this so far, 4 miles, nearly 5, and the battery hasn't even moved. So I would definitely say this is at least 30-mile range on this, which is good. Got front suspension, doesn't have rear suspension, but these tyres are very plush, gives you a nice, smooth, comfortable ride, even on the sort of light tracks and trails. But so far, this is a really nice bit of kit. You know, look to buy one of these if you just want something completely different. You've got huge, you know, luggage carrying capability, which is brilliant. But I mean, these bars can be adjusted to how you like. Very, very relaxing position. You can adjust them up and down. But yeah, so far my first impressions of this Mooncool Trike are very good. It rides like an absolute dream. Very, very impressive. Right, so I mean, even on very light tracks and trails, the TK1 is exceptionally smooth and quiet. I mean, this is without doubt the most comfortable bicycle trike I've ever tried. You know, I mean, the position, just the relaxed nature of it being a trike, the bars sort of laid back, just the seat is so plush. It may not have rear suspension, but it's still very, very comfortable. And initially it took me a while to sort of get my head around this, but now I've sort of got into it a bit more. It's just so relaxing. Just sit back and enjoy the cruise and the scenery. So so all good for the TK1 on light tracks and trails. Obviously cornering, you've got to sort of lean it a bit, but I'm just in assist level 2 at the moment, and just doing a gentle cruise down to Poole Harbour, and this thing's really, really enjoyable. See how the TK1 copes with a hill. This is about a 1 in 5, 20%. I've got it in maximum assist level. It's a cadence sensor, so cut the turns of the pedals and the power comes in. And oh wow, for 250 watts this is very impressive, and bear in mind this is quite a weighty piece of kit. It's absolutely flying up here. 11, 12 miles an hour with minimal effort for me. So it's got plenty of hill climbing ability, so that's really, really good for something of this size and weight. Very impressive. So there we are, guys, the Mooncool Tk1 folding trike. Really, really enjoyable bike to ride. So let's just have a final thoughts up here and have another good look around it, shall we? Just have a final walk around then, guys, of the Mooncool Tk1 folding electric trike. Must say I really enjoyed that. Very, very different experience to normal e-bikes. Exceptionally comfortable, smooth and relaxing to ride is my kind of key sort of things that I'm going to take away from this review. So we're just going to look around it all. So big storage basket on the front there, and a massive storage rack on the back there, so lots of carrying capability this has got. It is folding. You've got the folding mechanism there and down there. Big capacity battery there, giving you between 30 and 40 mile range. All the drivetrain, the motor, you've got the rear diff back there, all very, very smooth, quiet, and as you can see from the video, even though it's 250 watts, plenty of hill climbing capability, very good. Nice big front light there. You've got rear lights, brake lights and indicators. Removable battery. I think the biggest, most comfortable seat I've ever sat on. It's really nice. So there's your indicators and horn, power assist level buttons plus and minus. Nice little clear LCD display. Very comfortable, nice wide bars which are adjustable. So powerful hydraulic brakes with your parking brake locking feature, which is really handy. It saves the trike rolling away from you. As I say, comes with all the tools, charger, very, very well boxed and easy to put together. So yeah, if you are in the market for a trike, they're very nice to ride, and at £1,699, I say this represents good value for money. What you're getting is a very nice piece of kit. You can definitely tell it's got quality to it. The welds are good, it rides exceptionally smoothly, those tyres are good, they roll well even on light tracks and trails. You've got a differential in there, very smooth running motor, which has a surprising amount of power to push this quite a weighty piece of kit along. So there you go, guys. Please don't forget to post your comments down below. Give me a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you again in a week or so for another review. Ride safe, all the best, and bye for now.